Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. To get on here really quick and share with you all some things that I have purchased with y'all, and then kind of chit chat things and I wanted to share. So for starters, of course y'all know it's the end of the year. A calendar, agenda, Erin Condren, like the most expensive agenda or calendar book. Then I started going to TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Target, or whatever, farmer's market or some type of event where they had like all different type of small businesses, like in the green area in Alpharetta where I work there. And I was looking at her books and she was like, you know, she sold out. So she was like, we going to restock like a week from that day. So of course I supported and I purchased myself a planner. And this is from a black owned business, y'all. When I tell you this thing was so beautiful, like they have these here gold little rings. Clear cover is really thick. And then in the inside you have 2025. You have 2025 at a glance. And I like how each page has something different. It's like some type of inspiring quote, like it's like a little quote. So this is the month of February. Let's see what it says for my birthday month, March. You would never see the masterpiece being created in you if you fail to realize broken pieces create a stronger structure. So here is March, you all, and I am a March baby. But y'all, it's like I can go on and on, y'all. This is so cute. And then it has your weekly planner. I mainly use my planner for like my days that I work, days off. I have these here little lines, so then I can add days that I want to film. What do I want to film? Video ideas and stuff like that. Before, it was a little different. Like here, they have monthly focus, which is personal goals, financial goals, other goals, health and fitness goals, mental health and spiritual goals, self-care. We'll try and link her Etsy page because that's where I purchased it from, Etsy. But she also has a Instagram page. So I'm going to put this up here. So if you see this, you could probably use your phone and scan one of the barcodes. But if not, I'll leave their Instagram down below. Get on here and share that with y'all. So then I went to Ulta. Now this here was inspired by me watching Instagram reels. I don't know what I was doing, y'all, but I was on Instagram and these here things popped up. So I was like, oh, I need to go on Ulta.com and see if we have them. So that was still kind of close. So I ended up purchasing these little mini balls. I threw all the paperwork away. This is the Ulta, it's mini brands. And they collab with Ulta, so they created like all these little mini things, y'all. When I tell you people are going crazy over these here things, like I just called my Ulta just to see if they would have them. And they was like, we are sold out. She was like, people been calling like every day asking about these hair mini brands. And I was just like, I happened to, like I said, catch mine at another Ulta. And y'all, I'm in love with these little mini balls. I just ordered 3 more on the website. It's out for $9.99. And then you also can use any coupons or anything you get from Ulta. So I did use my $3.50 off coupon. I was going to go into the store and purchase some because, like I said, I did place an online order. So I was like, if I can find them in the stores, I can add to what I ordered. And my Ulta doesn't have any, and I wasn't going to drive a few stores down to get 3 more or 2 more. I was like, I can just wait. So let me show you how cute these things are. I'm individually wrapped, and it's these little makeup brands. Like this is the Truly brand, PI nail polish, and y'all, not only are they mini and little, they open. Like you can open and look. That is just the cutest thing ever, y'all. Here, the e.l.f. lip oil. You can open this and it has the applicator. I have the Tarte mascara, and again you open it and you have your mascara wand. Look how cute this is. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, y'all, but I like them and I want to keep collecting them. Now I get, when I used to buy my daughter these little things, she used to go crazy over them because you never know what you want to get. So Sephora, here's the receipt. And I purchased a few things. Are the eye masks. They are limited edition to the Sephora collection, y'all. When I tell you, these here are so cute. They like eye patches, and they have like glitter on them. But it's just the way they made. It's like so cute. I wish I would have took a picture of these. And y'all, when I tell you, they are so nice under the eye area. These here are anti-fatigue masks. They do anything. Like I said, I don't eye masks to take away anything. I just use them because they soothing under the eye area. When I put them in my skincare fridge, because what I need a professional. Like, I don't think no eye mask, no eye cream or anything like that is going to help my situation. But like I said, I do like to keep these handy because I like to put them under my eyes for like early in the morning, like just to wake me up. I didn't mention these here are $4. And then this here, y'all, I've been on a hunt for the perfect vanilla scent. I haven't found it as of yet, but I feel like I'm getting close. Here by Fleur is called Vanilla Skin, y'all. When I tell you, this smells so good, like you gonna smell like a baked cookie. Between this and 71, I think 71 is a little sweeter, but this one is still good. And this one here is a cute size because you can throw it in your purse. They do have a bigger size. I get the bigger size because I wanted something that I can throw in my purse. I bought the smaller size. Myself like really liking it. I'll probably invest in a bigger one. But y'all, when I tell you, smell this, and y'all know the sale is coming November the 1st. I'm not sure when this video is going to go out. I'm going to try and get this video out as soon as possible. A whole dedicated video on that. So I'm not sure. Because like I said, I pre-film to the point where sometimes I have too much to edit and I'm only one person. And then I try to do it in between working. So that's why sometimes it's hard, because I could put out 2 videos a week. But like I said, I'm just a one-person show, so it's a little difficult sometimes. Item I would highly recommend is the Summer Fridays lip balm, and this here is in the scent in the flavor hot cocoa. This one here is really nice. Now the other one they had is iced coffee. I like both, but I would recommend the hot cocoa just because, you know, it's still winter time. And y'all, Huda Beauty came out with some new lip products, y'all. These here are their came out with some new lip products, you all. I purchased 2 because she came out with 3. The other one was a little too dark. Glitter one, I don't know the name because I can't see because it's too glittery on the packaging. But I got this one. This one I can read. This one here is She Flirty. So yeah, y'all. These here I really like. Now these here glosses I will use as a topper because I have one on, which is this one, She's Flirty. This one I plan to wear with like a lip liner. My Sephora friend, she sold me on this because she was like, girl, with a good brown lip liner and put this here gloss in the middle with the little shimmer. Yeah, she ain't never lied. So I purchased the 2 from Sephora. Yeah, that's what I bought. And this here is a Touchland exclusive, but somehow, some way it got to Ulta on the Touchland website because they had sold out. And then y'all, I'm that person, if you charging shipping, I'm not ordering. Like if I can't get free shipping, we got a problem. Like I know I'm that person that, yep, I am not paying for shipping. Reason why I didn't care to get it off of their website, because at first I was going to purchase it because I thought it was exclusive to Touchland. But then when I saw that it was on Ulta, I'm like, I'm gonna get it from Ulta. Even though I couldn't pick it up in stores, you know, if you spend a certain amount, you get free shipping. So I ended up purchasing 2. And no, this here do come off, so you can another hand sanitizer in this here case. I know a lot of people like, oh, Miss Tamika, I would never pay $10 for a hand sanitizer, and that's fine. Again, that's just me. You know, I'm that person that I like cute stuff in my bag. So this here wasn't 10, this was 20. And I understand why it's 20, because you get like a carrying case. Use the carrying case. I feel like you pay $10 for the hand sanitizer and $10 for the case. Let y'all know, you can use the Ulta coupon. Because you know, Ulta always throwing a coupon my way. Like $3.50 off. If you spend $50, you get $10 off. If you spend, I just uploaded a video on a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So much love on that particular unboxing, y'all. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the love on that particular video. I just update you all on this hair bag. After the video, I did start wearing this hair bag, and one thing I will say, experience color transfer, y'all. Yes, I did, and I almost died. Like, yes, I almost died, but the reason why I didn't die was because of the fact that I didn't pay Louis Vuitton price. Like, I didn't have to pay that hefty price tag. And that in that video, I did say this bag is between $3,000 to $4,000. I wanted to correct myself. This hair bag on the Louis Vuitton website retails for $27 or $28. So depending on your area and your sales tax, you will be paying a little over $3,000. So it's not $4,000, but it's still kind of close. And it's still above my price range. Say, if I would have bought this from Louis Vuitton and I wore, well, of course y'all know it's my fault because I shouldn't have wore the black jeans. But again, I don't know. I just be feeling like these things should be protected. Leather and everything. But apparently I just have this thing with color transfer. One of my baby wipes. I have a pack of unscented wipes. So I took that wipe and rubbed the bag down, and it did come off. You can see it just a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it like on this here tab. Like you can see, you would have to really squint to see it. Like, I'm not sure. I did experience color transfer. So moving forward, I will not be wearing this bag to work. Like, I just can't. I did right away because, like I said, I was able to take care of the situation. But had this been had this bag been purchased from the Louis Vuitton store, of course y'all know they wouldn't have been able to do nothing for me, and that would have just been on me. I would have, for me to just have purchased that bag and for it to already had gotten color transfer. Yeah, I would have been upset. But I say that to say I don't have to worry about that because I didn't pay that kind of money. When I'll be able to wear this bag, because of course we're going into the winter months, and this here is more like a summer bag. So I may have to put her up into the summer or the spring. But I'm just telling you, y'all, this bag 10 out of 10, y'all. Like, whoo, child. Gorgeous. Like, I am so glad I got this hair bag. This bag is making me want to repurchase a Speedy 25 or a 20, probably a 25. Want that in the damier bean print, because you know the newer Speedies had a zipper pocket in the inside. Like, it's a lot different now. I say that to say, I don't know, I may look into purchasing a new Speedy, but if not, I'll just keep what I have. But yeah, I had to let y'all know, y'all, this bag is super cute. It's just me, because I'll see ladies that come in with these kind of bags, cream bags, white bags, Louis Vuitton, and I'm like, they have on jeans all the time, and I'm like, y'all don't experience color transfer? Because what kind of clothes am I wearing? Because I don't understand. Like, I do not understand why my stuff always get color transfer. But to get on here and share with y'all what I bought. I am looking to cook some dinner. Take y'all in the kitchen with me. I don't know. Hair ponytail. Because y'all, I don't know, I just ain't been feel like putting on no wigs. I did film a video with a wig on, so I'm not sure if it's going to make the cut, but if it do, I did notice that I didn't lay it down properly. Try to keep this video short, for long enough so I can monetize it. It's what's today? Today is Wednesday the 30th. So you know what that means. November the 1st, the tree is going up. Yes, well, not on the 1st, but the next day I'm off. So it's going to be like the 1st or 2nd week of November. My tree is going up, y'all. I cannot wait for November. And plus, it's my daughter's birthday month. Do for her birthday, y'all. Because every time I asked her what she wanted to do, she brushed everything off that I've recommended. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. And this is why I like to plan early. It's November. So, you know, we'll see. Got to plan because you got to have that moolah. And that's what I try to explain to her. Like, I don't have money, you know, where I can just be like, all right, let me go take this amount out the bank. Like, girl, we got to plan. And this is why I was asking you months and months ago on what you wanted to do. The time off. So I don't know if I do decide to do something fun, I will vlog. I'll probably vlog it anyway because it's her 18th birthday. I'll go in the kitchen and start cutting up this here cabbage. So I'm going to bring y'all in the kitchen.